Samples for analysis from Food Safety Standard Authority of India and various exporters are received at sample cell of the pilot test house Mumbai. Samples are verified with forwarding letter and internal checklist for acceptance of the samples. If found satisfactory, samples are coded as per lab procedure to maintain the confidentiality and integrity. In case of FSSI sample, all relevant informations are entered in the Food Import Clearance System of FSSAI. The coded samples are forwarded to the respective lab for analysis.
The sample are homogenized to make true representative sample for analysis. The homogenized sample is weighed 10 gram in 50 ml centrifuge tube for extraction. For matrix match calibration, spiking is done at level of 0, 5, 10, 25, 50 and 100 microgram per kg. And for QC sample, spiking is done at level of 20 and 50 microgram per kg. After spiking, vortex the spike sample for 30 seconds and wait for 15 minutes for equal distribution of the analytes. Add 10 ml ethyl acetate to it and mix well. Add 10 gram sodium sulfate anhydrous. And vortex for 2 minutes. And centrifuge at 8000 rpm at 4 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. Now for GC-MSMS analysis, take 2 ml supernatant in 15 ml centrifuge tube containing 50 mg PSA and 30 mg GCB for cleanup. And vortex for 1 minute. And centrifuge at 8000 rpm at 4 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. For LC-MSMS analysis, take 4 ml supernatant in glass tube. And evaporate this 4 ml supernatant in nitrogen turbovap at 50 degrees centigrade. After centrifugation, take 1 ml supernatant in GC vial for injection in GC-MS. Extracted samples are ready for injection in GC-MS. This is our GC-MS system. There are three main components. One is the inlet with auto sampler, and one is AVAN, and one is GC-MS detector. And for pesticide analysis, we are using 30-meter long column, capillary column, 15 meter with bag plus technology. This is a mass hunter online window. So we have to check readiness of the instrument, and this is a GC parameter. So we are going to the GC parameter. This is inlet column. We are using this Agilent HP5MS column. Flow is 1 ml, and this is AVAN program. This is MS parameter. So these are time segment, and these are multi-residue MRM method. So here we are doing more than 30 pesticides by this method, by GC-MS. These are product ion, precursors ion, and these are the collagen energy. Now instrument is ready and in ideal condition. So we are making sequence. So this is a sample name, method file for multi-residue analysis, and data file, and these are the calibration point sample and two QC samples. This is while positions. So now sequence okay, and we are saving this sequence. Run sequence. After completion of sequence, we have to process the data. This is a quantitative analysis window. So these are the calibration point, sample blank 5, 10, 25, 50, 100 ppb, and 2 QC sample. And this is our real sample, QC sample at 20 ppb and 50 ppb. So calculated concentration is 19 ppb against 20 ppb and 42 against 50 ppb. There are two windows. This is calibration window, and R square is 0.999, and this is the MRM window for qualifier and quantifier. QC sample and ion ratio are within the acceptable range. So we are going to generate report. For LC-MS analysis, after evaporation, reconstitute analytes in 1 ml of 2:8 acetonitrile water. And vortex. And filter through 0.22 micron nylon filter and take in LC vial for injection in LC-MS.
Then we will take the sample rack, we will put into auto sampler UPLC MSMS. And for running purpose we are using BH C18 reverse phase columns are using. About 1.7 microns are using. And mobile phase for pesticide is ammonium formate 95:5 plus 0.1% formic acid, and concentration is 5 millimolar, and B line is methanol, and the elution was gradient form. For running the sample we will make a particular sequence. For that purpose we will make a series of calibration. The calibration points are starting from solvent blank and 0 ppb, 5 ppb, 10 ppb, 25 ppb, 50 ppb and 100 ppb, and one QC also done in batch. In sequence files two things are there, MS file and inlet file. In MS file, what is that? Whatever MRM we are there, we are loaded MRM. After loaded sample in auto sampler, we will make a sequence. In sequence file, what are the solvent blank calibration points? There are 6 calibration points are there. 0 ppb, 5 ppb, 10 ppb, 25 ppb, 50 ppb. There are two things are there, MS file and inlet file. In MS file, whatever MRM is there, we loaded in MS file. In inlet file, what are the LC condition and mobile. This is parent ion and doctor ion. There are 2 doctor ion for 1 parent. For example, methylmetaphos 142 and doctors are 93.9 and 124.9. These are MRM file. In pesticide analysis, runtime was 14 minutes and the elution was gradient form. Once the running is completed, we will go to quantitation file. In quantitation file, a window will come like that. In that window, there are 2 points are there, 2 view are there, chromatogram and peaks. We will early run 5 ppb, 10 ppb, 25 ppb. After the run is completed, we will process the sample. In processing file, there are 2 things are there, calibration and MRM. In calibration, there are 5 points getting linear points and criteria become 999. And there are 2 MRM is there, otherwise qualifier and quantifier. This is qualifier, this is quantifier, and these peaks are have a retention time and ion ratio. These are the 2 criteria for confirmation of sample. And ion ratio should match with the sample. After quantification, we will go to report generation. we will go to file and print the report. So it should be coming like that.